Hello YouTube, it's Charles Christopher with Two Glen Outdoors. Today I'm going to be teaching y'all how I'm going to be putting in a food plot for this upcoming deer season. I know it's a little bit late, but I'm pretty sure it'll work. So stick around and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I've got my thing full of seeds. I'm going to list the seeds a little bit lower on the screen, probably about right around here. And that way, I just bumped the deer. But that way y'all know what seeds I am. What I'm doing now is just going to be spreading seeds. And we're spreading it on top of all this. And then we'll cut it down. This gives our new seeds time to fertilize without being burnt up by the sun. So give me a few minutes to spread this and I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Alright everyone, so I just put all the seed out. At least the smaller seed. Still got to put some weed out. But I really try to focus in this area right here. It's more padded down, and as you can see that tree right there, that's probably going to be the tree that I hunt out of. So I'm going to try to get them a little bit closer to me. Probably be about 30 foot up in the air, 25 foot in the air. So I'm not really worried about them spotting me too much. But I'm only doing half this field. The other half I'm going to try to use this cover to get to that sand. So I'm going to try to leave it up a little bit and try to cut this side and then get up on the back side of the tree. But I got all the way out to about I'd say probably got about 100 yards away from it. That way it's a relatively big food plot, but that's all right. I mean, there hasn't been a food plot back here in at least 8 years, so that works out. Next thing I'm gonna do is ride around on the tractor and throw wheat out. And then, yeah, and in case y'all are wondering how this works, it's simply just a bag. You fill up your seed in, you spin this lever, and it shoots out the seeds for you so you don't have to throw it by hand. So next up is going to be me throwing some wheat and bush hogging, and we'll be done. Alright, I'll be throwing some wheat seed. Got it in the bag. As y'all can see. So, that's what I'll be doing. Alright everyone, that's all there is to it. I'm just going to slowly break down why we did it this way. So what we did was we put seeds down first before bush hogging. And the reason why is because every night here in Kentucky it's been about 50 degrees, causing a lot of dew to condensate up. So what we're planning on, because we should be getting a little bit of rain here soon, but nothing that's really going to help it fermentate as much as it really should. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to put the seeds underneath what we cut down, and the reason why is because that's going to provide shade for those seeds, so they don't get burnt up by the sun during the day. And the good thing is with the dew at night, it's going to allow it to fermentate into the soil. During the daytime, it's going to give it a little bit of heat to help dry it a little bit, and then this process of back and forth is is really going to cause that seed to, hopefully, we're praying that it works as good as we think it's going to. It's going to cause it to really just kind of explode almost, and get a good fermentation. Now, I know we didn't do it as early as we should have. We should have done this about 2 months ago at most, or at least. Sorry about that. But I wasn't able to come down here. I was working with my dad and stuff like that. So we went ahead, tried to plant it. If not, we're not too terribly worried about it. We didn't even break ground. We're just praying that it just kind of seeps in and fermentates. But next year, the goal is definitely to break ground and put seeds into the ground. And if we're able to do that and we get a good moist year next year, we should have a really good food plot. Now, going ahead and bush hogging that was a good idea anyway, because it's going to allow for a good shooting zone, a shooting lane, whatever you're going to call it. And it should promote deers to move over there just because it's fresh cut grass, and it's easier to chew up for them. But hopefully I did enjoy this video. Once again, I'm sorry I didn't get as much clips as I really wanted to. I wanted to get a clip of me spreading the seed so y'all could see what I was talking about, but I just wasn't able to hold it, spin it, and record all at the same time. Even though it had a neck strap, it still would go off kilter of me. It is what it is. It's not a big deal. But if y'all did enjoy the video, make sure to hit that like button. We're trying to get more videos out to y'all as the weeks go on. That way y'all have more content and look forward to this coming season. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.